ఉంటు కూడా
చాలా Hi guys, so I have picked up Pradnya from her office. So the big thing today is we are going for the vaccination. The UAE government has started the vaccination for all the residents. In the beginning it was only for the frontline workers and the senior citizens. So now we are getting the opportunity to get vaccinated and we are very much excited about it. So let's start. So now we are taking the Sheikh Zayed Road to head towards the center where we are going to take our vaccine. It is around 17 kilometers from here. So we will see you once we reach there. So as you can see, this toll gate, this is a automated toll gate. So every time you pass by, there is a chip which is built in your car. Not built in actually, it's a kind of a sticker that you plant on the windshield. So they charge you automatically. The beam from the laser, the toll gates catch the sensors from the chip and they charge you automatically. So you have to charge the Salik, it's called the Salik. You have to charge it on like monthly basis or yearly basis depending on the usage. So every time you pass you get charged for 4 dirhams, which is I would say okay, not that expensive compared to the other countries. So that's about it.
and your Salik chip is installed over here.
So we have finally reached our destination. There are lots of people around. We couldn't get a parking next to the center, but we have somehow managed to squeeze in a small lane. So first of all, we are very much excited about the vaccine. The vaccine is finally here after a long wait of 1 year, and we are excited and we are feeling proud as well because we are the residents of UAE, and thanks to our leaders who provided us with the vaccine. They were the first one to do the trials. They were proactive. They tested the vaccine on themselves. So we are confident the vaccine is good because UAE government will not give you anything which is not good, or if it's not good for them, it's not good for us. If it's good for them, it's good for us as well. So fingers crossed. So we are here for the first shot. Hopefully we'll get it today, and then after 3 weeks we'll have the other shot. Hope for the best. गाइस, आपने देखा था लास्ट सीन में हम थे वैक्सीन सेंटर में, बेसिकली वैक्सीन जहाँ पे लग रहा था, बट हमारे साथ हो गया धोखा। तो धोखा ये हो गया है कि हमारा बीपी बता रहा था हाई दोनों का, तो हमको वैक्सीन नहीं दिया उन्होंने। दे वांट नॉर्मल बीपी so that the vaccine is effective and you don't get any side effects. Apparently हम कल गए थे डॉक्टर के पास, तो डॉक्टर ने बोला कि आपका बीपी तो एकदम परफेक्ट है, शायद हमको एंजाइटी एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से बीपी बढ़ गया होगा हमारा. What the doctor also told us. So now this is day 3. हमने एक दिन गैप लेके फिर बेसिकली day 2 बोल सकते हैं. एक दिन गैप लेके उसके नेक्स्ट डे हम निकले हैं फिर वैक्सीन लेने. लेट्स सी आज वैक्सीन मिलता है कि नहीं. आज हमारा बीपी क्या बोलता है वो देखते हैं. And hope for the best. See you at the vaccine center.
Yeah, and also this is for the Sinopharm vaccine.
Yeah.
It is mandatory कि आप आपका बीपी चेक कराएं. अगर आपका बीपी नॉर्मल रेंज में है, only then they will give you the vaccination. So just make sure you take care of these small little things. It is very important. See you there.
So finally we are done with the vaccine. Our BP was normal today, thankfully. So we are done for now, but we need to take the second shot. That would be around 21 days from today. There are some criteria, some restrictions that we have to follow now. That is, you can't drink for 7 days, and if it's a lady, she can't conceive for 3 months.
Yeah.
Like,
and she should not be pregnant while taking the
yeah.
vaccination. That is very important as well. And the blood pressure, like we mentioned earlier. So once you take care, so this was the restrictions for our Sinopharm vaccination. So I recommend कि जब आप भी vaccination लेने जाएं, आप make sure करें कि ऐसी कोई restrictions है जो आपको follow करना चाहिए या check करना चाहिए. So that is very important. Once you are clear with all of this, you will not feel any different after taking the vaccination, because काफी लोगों ने कभी बोला है कि you feel a little nausea or a little bit of dizziness. So that's why it's important कि आप ये सब basic criteria अपने list में tick कर दीजिए. Once you're perfectly fine, then go ahead with the vaccination. And we also pray that everyone, all our friends, all our families, all our viewers should get the vaccination as soon as possible, so that everyone's life can come back to normal and we can start traveling, social gatherings, etc. So यही दुआ है सबके लिए.
People would be thinking कि why हमने Sinopharm का vaccine लिया है. Sinopharm is basically, for those who don't know, it's a Chinese vaccine. So that is the one of the options, I would say, not the only option.
So यहाँ पे actually 2 options दिए थे government ने. एक था Pfizer और दूसरा था Sinopharm, which is the Chinese vaccine. Now Pfizer has a lot of waiting list and has a lot of paperwork that needs to be done, and needs to, there was a waiting for the appointment as well.
So this was more feasible, I would say. And if we had an option कि हमको Indian vaccine मिलता, तो for sure we would have taken the Indian vaccine. But the scenario is such that we can't travel, and we are here, so we have to take whatever is available, and whatever is handy to us. So that's the reason.
And then we go back in 21 days for our second shot. So all the best. जैसे vaccination आता है, please take it important to get vaccinated. That's the only way forward. Please don't resist. There are a lot of scientists and a lot of knowledgeable people who have worked for this. So it's a great achievement for India as well, with the kind of vaccinations that are coming up. And a lot of countries have ordered it as well from India, which is amazing. Let's hope for the best and do get vaccinated. See you. Bye.